everyone, today we come to HANGCHA factory. HANGCHA Group specializes forklift production and sales, with a rich history of more than 60 years. Now, we will show you the specific operation process of the forklift, so that you can have a deeper understanding of the forklift. First, insert the key and press the fingerprint to start the forklift. Next, use the joystick to control the forward and backward movement of the forklift. Finally, the lifting and tilting of the mast are operated by the joystick. This manual forklift is the base model with only 4 joysticks. If additional attachments are required, the number of the joysticks will be increased accordingly. That's all. Hope this video is helpful for you. Bye bye.